Thank you for choosing Ironside Computers. Today we're going to be doing a video demonstration of order number 815243. We're going to be shipping this computer shortly, but before we do, we're going to be showing you the internals of your computer and that each part is new and undamaged. And we're going to be running a quick stress test to show your computer is fully operational. If you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com. Taking a look at the outside of your computer, for your case you selected the NZXT Phantom Black. Now we're going to boot the computer up and then take a better look inside to show you the parts that you ordered. Now that your computer is booted up, let's take a better look inside. Taking a look inside your computer, first thing you'll notice is your Tundra liquid cooling unit with red tubing. That is cooling an AMD FX-8350 processor. Beside that, you have 32 GB of G.Skill Ripjaws 1600 MHz RAM. That is being cooled by a Blue Kingston HyperX memory cooler. And for your graphics card, you selected the AMD Radeon R9 290X. And below that, you have your AC 1300 Mbps wireless adapter. For cable sleeving in the system, you selected individually sleeved red cables, and for lighting you selected dual red-gold cathodes. All your components have been installed on an ASUS Crosshair 5 Formula Z motherboard. Powering your system is a Corsair AX1200i, and for storage you selected a Samsung 840 Pro 512GB SSD along with a secondary 4TB hard drive being cooled by an aluminum hard drive cooler. Taking a look at the front of your computer, you have your Blu-ray reader and the reservoir for your Tundra liquid cooling unit. Taking a look at the top of your computer, you have your power button and reset button, eSATA, USB 3.0, USB 2.0, and your headphone and mic jack. And on the opposite side, you have your built-in fan controller. Taking a look at the back of your computer, starting from the top, you have two USB 2.0 ports, optical out, PS2, two USB 3.0 ports, Republica Gamers Connect button, and your clear CMOS button, four more USB 2.0 ports, two eSATA, two USB 3.0 ports, two USB 2.0 ports, Ethernet, and your various audio jack. Below that, we have the ports for your graphics card. You have two DVI, HDMI, and display, and the antennas for your 1300 Mbps network adapter. At the very bottom, we have the switch for your cold cathodes. On the opposite side, you can see some of the custom airbrushing you selected. Taking a look at the desktop, now we're going to be showing you the parts of the computer you couldn't see. In File Explorer, your 512GB SSD along with your 4TB secondary hard drive. In System Properties, your AMD FX-8350 processor with 32GB of RAM and Windows 8.1 is your operating system. And in Device Manager, your AMD Radeon R9 290X graphics card and your 1300 Mbps network adapter. Now we're going to begin the stress test. This test is called Unigine Valley. It's designed to heavily stress the graphics card as well as the processor. We typically let this test run for up to 8 hours, but for this video we're going to be letting it run for about 2 to 3 minutes just to show your computer is fully operational. As you can see, your computer is fully operational and all the components in your computer are working properly. Now we're going to be shutting down the system. And that will conclude this video. Again, if you have any questions, please contact us at customer service at ironsidecomputers.com.